Is the roof done?
Oh.
Oh my god, your hands are filthy.
It's hard work.
Do you not think you should have washed your hands before you're eating your biscuit?
No, because I'm using my left hand, which is cleaner. Dirty, clean. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is well.
Now this is our beloved caravan, which needs a damn good clean. Oh no, that looks dreadful. That looks dreadful. So today, this is the task. Lee is going to clean the roof. I'm going to clean inside, and then
we'll both clean the outside.
Share this horrible bit here probably together. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, but this caravan, this is where you lived for a few months.
Yeah. So when we relocated, because our son was still at school, and I got my job transfer. Obviously, I actually come down here earlier, so we brought the caravan down, and I stayed in this caravan. This was my home for a few months before they rejoined me down here in Cornwall.
Yeah. But it's done us proud, so we need to look after her, don't we?
Yeah. So we've been on many holidays all over the country with her. It's been in storage. We haven't used her for quite a while, and where we are, obviously there's build up of dirt comes, so it's a good time to give her a good clean before we set off and go away again.
Yeah. So we are going to go for a walk along the beach, because I think we're going to need a break at some point doing this, because this is going to be a horrible job. But yeah, we're going to have a walk on the beach, aren't we?
Yeah. Tide's going to be right, so yeah, we'll head on.
Yeah, and we'll
after this.
bring you with us. So let's go. Ooh. Okay, so this is the inside of our caravan. Kind of put it all away neatly. The problem is, with living here next to the fields, you get tiny little visitors that come in and make your caravan their home over the winter. So I have got a fair bit of cleaning to do. But what I'm going to do first is get the blankets and get anything that needs popping through the wash. So I'll get those on.
I'm looking under here. The thread for the foot has gone wrong, so I need to look at what the part looks like to replace. But I just need to check out the part. But as you can see, it's quite tight under here. Sometimes easier to film it on the phone, because then you can get a much closer look. As you get older, your eyes don't focus as well as you want to. But I think this is the basic package that I need to look at.
Right, I've got my rubber gloves. I've got some warm soapy water and a sponge. I've also got some disinfectant, which I'm definitely going to need. So let's get on and clean. I put this blanket down for Arthur, but all he's done is played with it, moved it about, and now he's using it as a pillow. But if you can hear a noise, it's Lee on the roof cleaning it. There he is. Doing a good job up there. It's with the roof, you can't see it. It'll just get filthy. Oh, let's crack on. Right, looks a little bit better. I had to move one of the cushions because there was a bit of damp coming in from the front bit of the caravan. You know where you put your gas bottles and things. So I've had to take that in the house. So I'm going to give a bit of a clean and air that a bit, but it looks so much better. I've hoovered the floor, I've cleaned the fridge, cleaned the oven. Oh, at least now if we decide to go away, it will be clean. I think it's always good just to keep it in tip-top condition at all times, isn't it really? A cup of coffee.
Oh, roof's done.
Good.
Feels odd being in here.
Was that what?
Odd.
It's been a while.
New couple of years, isn't it?
Lee's just done the roof and he's put water. You put water on the top, didn't you? And then it started leaking in the skylight down there.
Yeah, I think it's a little open there, wasn't it? So.
Was it open?
I don't think it's locked or sealed properly, is it? So.
Oh, okay. Because I pulled it down and I thought it was shut. Have you done some work on the roof then?
No, I'm just saying it probably wasn't properly closed.
Right, okay.
Water doesn't normally come from underneath it, it normally comes from the top, so it should be okay.
Biscuit?
Hobnob?
Well, kind of.
Oh, Arthur. Arthur wants one.
Arthur likes these, don't you?
Thank you.
I brought some treats for you though. Oh.
You prefer Hobnob? Or both? We'd do anything for Hobnob, wouldn't you, Arthur?
So is the roof done?
Oh.
Oh my god, your hands are filthy. It's hard work. Do you not think you should have washed your hands before you're eating your biscuit?
No, because I'm using my left hand, which is cleaner. Dirty, clean.
Disgusting.
Is that nice?
I've just cleaned this whole area, half the caravan, and I thought I'll check the cupboards.
Okay.
So I opened that one. This is where we've got all like knickknacks, screwdrivers, packets of stuff, things that you just general stuff that you don't know where.
Sellotape and
yeah, that sort of stuff.
Stuff that you kind of never need.
And it just looks like a lot of it has been chewed, eaten. So I wish I cleaned that first really before cleaning all this. So I'm going to get a carrier bag, and then just chuck everything in.
Is it still in there now?
I haven't touched it. So no, don't. No, I'm going to get a carrier bag.
I'm going to have a look. Oh yeah. Have you even need the wax off the candle?
The tea lights.
Hmm.
You remember? You need pot? Good boy. Good. Well,
Definitely needs a good clean.
yeah. Don't let me forget that cupboard because that'll be a pain in a few months' time. If we are away, opening that and thinking, oh, damn, this is the cupboard I forgot.
Have we still got the games in here?
I haven't looked actually. I'm nodding. But I haven't looked.
Okay.
I don't know. I presume so. So is the roof done?
Roof's done. Clean. It was very dirty.
Well, you can't see the roof, can you? So you can't really.
No. But we haven't used the caravan for a couple of years. We've stayed local, so I think the last time we used it was probably 18 months ago. October break, we went down to Trebarwith. Is that right?
No.
Lizard? Went to the Lizard?
No,
when was that?
we went not... What year are we in now? 2024.
She knows dates better than I do.
Yeah. Not last year, so not 2023. 2022, we went to Cheddar Gorge in the summer.
Ah, I remember Cheddar Gorge.
Yes.
Yes, very nice. The caves.
The caves, yeah.
Stalactites, stalagmites.
Yeah, it was nice. Enjoyed that. You see all the hair. Do this and you can just see little bits of hair just...
Don't do that then.
No.
You just cleaned them.
Ignore these windows, they haven't been cleaned. That's why you can't see out of them.
So we've basically cleaned the top. Like you do with a car, you always clean the top first, or should always clean the top first, and then you work your way down.
Yeah.
So we've done the roof. Roof's cleaned, dried. Now we've got to do the outsides, sides and wheels and stuff. And there's no more biscuits left.
There is. There's one left.
Shh.
Is there one? Yeah, there's one left. Can't just leave one in a package. We'll just have half each. Okay, I'll just eat it then. Do you want half of this biscuit?
Of course.
But I wasn't actually asking you.
Oh look, someone's attention again.
I'm breaking a biscuit and I've hoovered. I'll share with you, Arthur.
He's drooling.
No, we don't like that. Just eat it.
Okay, now settle.
It's nice just sitting in here, isn't it?
Mm.
Pretend we're away. We're at Trebarwith Strand. Just going to walk down to the beach. Lee's getting his wellies on.
Just got back from the caravan shop. Got me spares that I need. This should fit nicely onto the caravan. This is the section here really which is broken. This whole top section here is completely gone, so you can't put the foot down properly. So hopefully this will help to sort that out. So when we're in the caravan, it will make it a bit more stable. Just need to get the old one off and get this one in. Hopefully not too difficult a job.
That looks better. And all the sides, I'm out of breath now. And thankfully, I'm actually glad that it started raining. Oh, I'm going to move back because Lee's going to chuck water over it. Yeah, I'm actually glad it started raining, because it'll rinse it off a bit more. But, oh my god, I've burnt some calories off today.
Now, touch the fix in, put the foot back on. I just need to test to make sure that the thread is fine and that the foot goes up and down okay. Before, this wouldn't move, the thread had gone completely, so that is now working again and it's fixed, so caravan is now ready to be used again. Happy days, that works really well. Really happy with that repair.
Right, well that's about everything done. I got absolutely soaked when we were cleaning that caravan. But we came back from the beach and it was raining anyway, so we were wet, so it wasn't too bad. If you're wet anyway, you know, it doesn't make any difference really, does it? So we just carried on. But yeah, I've had a shower and the sun has come out now. So I put some clean clothes on and I've washed all the cushion covers, so I've just got to put those back on. I actually made these just out of some old material that I had. It's just like the envelope style cushion covers that are quite easy to do, especially if you've got a sewing machine. Yeah, so I've just got to do those, put those back on. All the windows look clean now, you can see out of them, so yeah, it's all good. I'll just give you a little quick tour of the caravan, because you're probably thinking you've only seen one section, so I'll just give you a quick tour of the caravan and you can just have a little look. Right, so we've got a kitchen area here, the fridge and the cooker. We've got some nice storage cupboards at the top. And this side we have a nice drinks cabinet with the microwave and a heater. And then we've also got 2 chairs here, which makes up into a bunk bed. That's quite handy, but we don't use that anymore because obviously our children are older, so they're not really coming away with us anymore. And if they do, then they've got their own accommodation. Not caravan, they haven't got a caravan, but they've got tents and things. So, but yeah, so in here we have got a bathroom. Here. Sink, nice wardrobe, and a toilet, and we have got a shower. We don't really use the shower, we just use the facilities on the site when we go away, so, but it's nice to have it just there if you need it. But that's our caravan in a nutshell. It's nice when it's clean, but yeah, it's nice and cosy. We like it, and it's just nice to get away. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'm hoping that Lee's going to think, yeah, we'll go away now. So, fingers crossed. Right, another cushion. Another cushion. But anyway, thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different, but this is our life in Cornwall, so always jobs to do. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.